Hello friends, let's make sentences using two-letter words. Number 1, he is up. I go up. Am I to go up? I am. Is he to go up? He is. Is he up? He is up. We go up. Up we go. I am in. Go on. Is he in? He is in. Do I go on? I do. Do we go on? We do. I go on. We go on. On we go. Thank you all and see you in our next video.